The why of the lie. Many people discuss flat earth in detail. Some approach it purely from a scriptural understanding, and others combine their understanding with the thousands of books and YouTube videos discussing and showing proof of the still, flat, and domed earth. Some even conduct personal field experiments, which I must admit I have done, and they're looking for curvature, and they always find none. There is so much support and proofs of a flat, non moving, domed earth from Scripture and many modern day experiments that I must believe it. But here's what very few people talk about: why the deception? Why, for almost 500 years, have we been taught the heliocentric theory? Why has NASA and other space science and space agencies pushed hard with this fakery for more than 55 years? The why of the lie is the question that piques my curiosity more than any other aspect of the flat earth. Obviously, my first reaction is that they want to discredit the scriptures starting right at Genesis chapter 1. If you get rid of creation, then you get rid of the creator. Then you discredit the entire narrative of the scriptures and can replace it with theories like the Big Bang, evolution, and the spinning globe Earth that is millions and millions of years old. Additionally, scientism says that the universe is so big and so full of stars and planets that we as humans are literally insignificant. In a nutshell, this is my conclusion on the why of the lie question. But it goes deeper, much deeper. Huge deceptions have occurred for thousands of years. Major church deception started in earnest around 300 AD when the Emperor Constantine, obviously listening to the whispers in his ears, probably from the Jesuits, declared Sunday as the Sabbath, and it has all snowballed from there. Did you know that Jesuits infiltrated our Protestant seminaries at least over 150 years ago? It is little wonder that our churches are the way they are, violating the fourth commandment weekly, eating whatever they like, building massive buildings, preaching cotton candy sermons, not even knowing what sin is, openly celebrating pagan holidays, even Halloween, focusing on money more than anything else, really, and giving none of it to speak of to the poor and needy, even in their own church. The list goes on, and I know I'm preaching to the choir here. So, what has resulted from this infiltration is pastors who are not taught the true word of our Father are teaching their congregations, if they're addressing anything of substance at all, which I'm pretty sure is quite rare from what I see. They're teaching them, their congregations, false doctrines. It is basically the blind leading the blind, and in some cases, leading them straight to hell. This, again, is my opinion. Is another answer to the why the lie with regard to the history of the American churches, also, but honestly, this has happened all over the world. Forgive my rant. I just dislike the fact that I was deceived for decades about so many important scriptural truths. I hate that billions of people are still deceived, but I'm grateful that the truth is starting to bubble up to the surface, finally, after centuries of deceptions and lies. God bless.